Crafty Vicky here with you, and we're here for 2 more months of my calendar. So this time around it's the month of March and the month of April. So we've got St. Patrick's Day and we've got Easter in April. So that's the inspiration for this. So for St. Patrick's Day, clearly I'm gonna go with the green. So we're gonna start off with a green base. And the drawing for this is a leprechaun hat, and I put a little clover on it, which I thought was really cute. And you've got this pale green, very spring-like type of green. I'm already anxious to see the spring. It started snowing here. And it actually stuck to the ground, and it's been pretty chilly, so yeah, looking forward to spring already. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this, because why not? It might be fun to have multiple layers, and I've got the paper, so it's a good way of using it. And this is a great way of using your scraps, by the way, because they're not big. The calendars are not really big, so it's perfect to use all those little bits of paper that you have that are just lying around. Okay, so now I'm going to put that here, and then I'm thinking I'm going to put the calendar. We're going to take this one, which is a little bit greenish. I'm going to do the month of March. I'm thinking I should put the calendar on top of this green piece and then cut around, just so that it has a border and just makes it a little bit more interesting. Whoopsie. Okay, here we go. So if the calendar hasn't sold yet, the link will be in the description box below, in case you're interested in purchasing it. It's obviously unique. The drawings are all my own, and they've all been hand colored in Copics. So even if I reprint them and recolor them, they're never going to be exactly the same, because I can't color the same. Plus I might not size the image the same either. So I'm thinking of putting it like that. That would be fun. Let's use that. And then I have also some bling, which is somewhere. Let's do it like that. Trying not to get my images to cover the dates, but at the same time I want to fill up the space. And where did it go? Have these little clovers, which I thought were just perfect for this. So I'm thinking of using a few of them. Could use multiple. Not that one, it's kind of broken. I should put the holes first, just so I have an idea of where I want to put these after. Yes, my husband is coming home, or either that or it's an Amazon package, because it's the time of year where a lot of orders are going to be coming in. Okay, so I'm going to put that there with this here on top. And then I was thinking something like that. And then I could also put a little one. Could actually put the blingy one here, but no. Could put it next to it. I have a multitude of these little things, so I could do a little border like that just to make it more interesting. Since I've got a big bag of this and it's gonna take me many years to go through all of these, so I better use some for projects, because otherwise there's only so many St. Patrick's Day card that you make, or items, but they're useful to have, so I like to have some on hand. But I'm better off using them when I have a chance, because otherwise they're just taking space and not being used, which is not good. Okay, so here we go. So now it's a question of gluing all of these down. I'm going to use my Soho tape, just double-sided tape. There we go. Whoops, wrong side. It's a good thing these can get peeled off very easily. Because yeah, I want a little layered look here. So move these down as well. Now I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry about that. Go. The last one. And need the big top one. And then we'll be done with that month and get on with the month of April. I must have sniffed something that would, oh, wrong way again. That is, because my nose is itchy now. It's like, Okay, so here is the month of March. And then for the month of April, we've got this little Easter egg. And I thought of using these papers because they're very bright and colorful. And they're the type of bright, colorful that I usually associate with Easter. Okay, so here we go, got that done. And then we're going to use some of that. And I'm going to tear it just so that it's different. I've got the sniffles and I really hate that. So let me just pause. Sorry about that, but I really needed. I hate having sniffles on tape. It's not fun. So just wipe down my hands with some baby wipes. And now we're doing the month of April, so I think I'm going to go with this bright color. Isn't that fun? And then we've got our egg. Oops. Oh my. Got our egg, and then I have something else that I thought would be fun to use on this. And they're little Easter buttons. So I've got all kinds of little Easter buttons. So I could use like the Happy Easter one. I think I'm just going to put a little bit of foam tape. This way it could be removed and used by whoever gets the calendar if they want. Which is a little gift in itself, which could be fun. Would be going there, so we'll just put this here down. Then we'll put my little Happy Easter through the holes. Where did my pokey tool go? Okay, so got that done. Put this back in there so I can hang it back up where it belongs, because there's still some in there. So we've got that, and then I'm gonna just put my little egg right over here. I think that's adorable. So this is the month of April, and then we've got the month of March. So I hope you've enjoyed these, and I will see you guys next time around for the month of June and July. So see you soon. Bye.